Today guys, I just want to update you about this almond door design. This is almond door, this is steel door. They are both steel door, but this is armored door. Is a padded with all steel door. This is also a steel door, but the thickness are different. This comes in 6 inches and a 9 inches design. It is called ALMOND JIUHUA door, and it is designed such that it has water resistance. It can be used for the main entrance of apartment. Even it can be used as internal doors. I did a video on this in a site where we use it as internal doors or two. It comes in the toilet size, it comes in the standard 3 feet size, and it comes in the 4 feet design, all available in 6 inches size and 4 and 9 inches block size. The cost of this door in the market now with the almond door design, the 3 feet 9 inches block is 95,000 naira, while the 3 feet 6 inches size is a 80,000 naira. This is the cost of this door. It's also available in a 4 feet design. The idea of 4 feet means 1,200 mm. That's 4 feet. When we talk about 3 feet is 900 mm. So the cost of the 4 feet is 130,000, 140,000. These are the price of this door in the market. And beside me here we have another door design. This is steel door. This is 70 mm steel door. These are the thickness of the door. We have 50 mm, we have 70 mm, we have 6 inches, we have 9 inches. The 70 mm is 4 inch block size, but it's also called 70 mm. That's the thickness of this door. So when you are buying door, I don't like advertising this 50 mm. 50 mm is too light. I don't like putting it on my video. So the cost of this 70 mm, the 3 feet is 60,000 naira, and it also comes in the 4 feet design, which is 90,000 naira. This is the cost of this door. This is almond design, while this is steel 70 mm thickness design. This is called steel door. When you want to buy the normal general steel door, this is a steel door. It's called the 70 mm steel door, which is not, the thickness of this is not like the one of this almond design or the LP design I've discussed in some of my previous videos. This one, the thickness of this is 70 mm. 70 mm is about 4 inches thickness, and this door comes in different sizes as well. Is available in a toilet size, is available in a standard size, which is a 3 feet, and is also available in a 4 feet size. So this door comes in different design. We have the one of egg shape. This is what they call egg shape design, and we have the one of 6 panel design. 6 panel, it has 6 panel design. We have the one of 2 panel design. This is how these doors is designed. This is called steel door. And the cost of JIUHUA door, although the steel door of JIUHUA door is some of the more expensive than other steel doors in the market, but just because of the quality, this is why, because the quality is there. I'm very sure of that. Just because of this quality, this is why this door is expensive. And the cost of this door is 60,000 naira for the 3 feet 70 mm thickness, and also the same cost for the toilet size. While the 4 feet design is 90,000 naira. This is the cost of the 70 mm thickness. It is available in black, brown, white design. This is how this door is designed. Guys, this is the cost update of this door design today. If you feel like you want to come and buy this door, we are there for you on 08280 49 39 14. Wabili Concept on the View. So